Here's another unit analysis problem that has two different measurements, and we're supposed to find miles per hour. If in the end I'm supposed to have units of miles over hours, kind of got to think ahead a little bit and say, okay, if I'm supposed to end with a unit of distance divided by a unit of time, then whatever I start with must also have a distance quantity divided by a time quantity. If you don't start with the same physical quantities, you're not going to end with those. You can't change, we're not changing what we're measuring here. We're just changing the units that it's being measured in. So for this particular one, it's 1 mile in 40 seconds. I'm taking a distance that they gave me, 1 mile, and I'm dividing it by the time that they gave me, which is in 40 seconds. So in my next factor, I don't want to change the mile units because I want to end up in mile units. So those I'm going to leave. Can't see those as well. Those mile units I'm going to leave, but I don't want seconds in my final answer. I want hours. So since seconds are in the denominator, I'm going to put the units of seconds in the numerator. I want to get to hours. Let's say I don't know how many seconds are in an hour. If you do, great. If you don't, fine. But you all should know, everyone should know, that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So my seconds units will cancel. If I was going to calculate right this second, I would have units of miles per minute. I don't want units of miles per minute. I want units of miles per hour. So in my next factor, I want to put minutes in the top or in the numerator, and I want to convert those to hours. You all know that there are 60 minutes in an hour, so your minutes cancel, and you end up with hours in your denominator. If I check all my units here, I'm now in units of miles over hours, which is exactly the units that I wanted for my final answer. Do not type in 1 in your calculator. You take 60 times 60, enter, divide by 40, enter. Do not divide by the ones, please. You check your sig figs. Both of my original numbers have 3 sig figs. I've just doing multiplying and dividing. So the total sig figs I can have in my final answer is 3, and I will round my answer to 90.0 miles per hour.